Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shivangi Mukherjee, and in today's video I'll be sharing my shopping haul. So yeah guys, we Bengalis eagerly wait for Durga Puja and it's next week and we are so excited about it, and Navratri is also here. So guys, in this corona period, we can hardly go out and do pandal hoppings, but yeah guys, that can't stop us to buy clothes, new clothes. So here guys, I bought few clothes, I did few shopping and there are many left. I did order few more things, kurta and some more stuffs, so they are not yet here, so probably by next 2 to 3 days they will be here. So here guys, I couldn't wait to show you guys what I have got, and here guys I'll be sharing all the stuffs I brought, from my clothing to my accessories, everything I'll share. So yeah guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up, comment down below which outfit you like the most, and yeah guys, I'll try to put the links of my outfits, those outfits which I have brought online. I'll be putting the links in the description below so you can go and check it out. And yeah guys, that's all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And as I said, like, share, comment, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you always get notified. So yeah guys, so much of blabbering, so now let's get started. Guys, first thing I bought is this kurti. Wait, let me show you guys. I guess it's from Myntra or Flipkart. It's confusing because I shop from Myntra as well as from Flipkart, but I'll show you the kurti. So this is the kurti guys, this is the work here, and it will be like this and it's full black, and it's a sort of frock design, long frock design, and I'm loving this combination, this black. So by now you know I love black because now also I'm wearing black, so I love black color, and the work in it with yellow and red and orange, it's so vibrant. And yeah guys, I love this so much. This is from Kimaira and I'm loving this. I don't know the price exactly, but the MRP price is 2000, and I'll give the price also with the offer I got this. So yeah guys, this is in the size M and this is the kurti. So let's go to the next outfit. So yeah guys, this is the shirt. I guess I got it from Flipkart. How much it sounds. So it's a maroon polka dot shirt. I don't know guys, I love polka dots. I don't know, they have some other vibes only, so I love polka dots. So I also have one polka dot shirt that is on orange. The whole shirt is orange and then they have the polka dot white dots. So this is also similar type, but this is maroon color and small white polka dots. You can see this. So this is the hand, and I guess you can adjust it. There is a button here, you can adjust it. So yeah, the quality is good according to the price, and this is from Flipkart only guys. I'll link it. So its MRP is not written here, so I'll link the price and the outfit. So let's go to the next outfit. So yeah guys, next I got this maxi dress sort of thing and I'm loving it. Why it's ulta. This is the dress. This is the print. I'm loving the print. It's showing blue color, but it's not blue, it's sort of greenish color, bottle green sort of color. So it will come below your knee. That is midi dress type, and I'm loving this stripe thing. So yeah guys, I got this. This is good quality according to the price again. So yeah guys, this is crepe, fabric is crepe, and the shirt I showed you, the shirt I showed you was also crepe material. So yeah guys, I love this fabric, the stripes and the whole thing. Very basic, very casual, yet you can style it in very different ways. You can wear it as a dress and you can wear it as a kurti as well. So we can experiment with this. So yeah guys, I'll link this also. So next one, I got this trousers from Flipkart. So it's a basic black trouser with a belt here. You can see the belt. And yeah guys, when I bought this trouser, I didn't know that I'll get one mask free. So yeah guys, I got this mask with this pant. How cool it is. So yeah guys, this mask is also a fabric of this pant only. So it's a very soft material, and according to the price, again I will say it's a very good material and it fitted me very nicely. And yeah guys, I'll give all the links in the below, and the size I personally wear, it will give you some idea. So yeah guys, it's a basic black trouser. Next, I got this, again a basic, how basic I'm doing, a basic black sort of turtleneck, though it's not a turtleneck, I don't know how to call it, but it's a full sleeve sort of bodycon top, and I'm loving it. It's amazing. The quality is nice, but yeah, little thick I must say. And the MRP of this is 1499, and I bought it a very low cost. So I'll share you the price with which I bought it. So yeah guys, this is a black, full black sort of turtleneck top. So next one, I'm gonna show you one kurti that my sister gave me. I don't know from where she bought it, from local market only. So she got me this, why it's showing orangish, but no guys, it's a blood red. I'm showing, it's amazing. This is the design here, sort of tribal design, and I'm loving this. This is very casual, easy to wear, and yeah guys, you can wear it whenever you have to go out, and all the fabric is very nice, very soft. I am loving this. And the good part is the golden detailing here. I'm so obsessed with this detailing, the work. I'm loving it. So yeah guys, this is one kurti, short kurti sort of, the not short, the medium length kurtis. So yeah guys, this is one of them. Link them. So next, I got this jeans. This is high waist jeans with so many buttons. Wait, let me count. 1 2 3 4 5. So it has 5 buttons guys. High waist. I generally love wearing high waist jeans, and it's I never had this color, so I thought of buying this color. I love this color. This is sort of sky blue, not sort of, it's sky blue color. So it's a high waist jeans and an ankle length one, high waist and ankle length. So price, it's written here 1962, but yeah, I'll give you the price. It's not that costly guys. So all the whatever I bought are very reasonable and not so much of high cost. So yeah guys, this were all the western plus kurti things. Now I'll show you some of my favorites. So yeah guys, I bought this sari. See the color, blue color is one of my favorite colors, and I got this sari. I don't know its name, my mom knows, so I don't know its name, and it has so amazing golden, what to say, border here. Let me show you guys. The color is so rich, so royal guys, I can't explain. The moment I saw this, I was like, I need to buy this. Whatever happens, I'll buy this one only. So it's amazing. The color is so amazing guys, I can't explain. I'm loving this. So next, I'll be showing you another sari. So this is technically Kanjivaram silk guys. So Bengali Pujo can't end without a white sari with red border, which we call Lal Pere Shada Shari. So it's so amazing guys. The quality is so amazing. It's so soft and very lightweight. So we can't handle heavy saris, so we always try to find the lightweight saris. So yeah guys, this is not totally white, it's off-white and with red border and golden detailing again guys. See, there are some designs here which we in Bengali we call kolka. So there are some designs here, and then the bigger design is here. So yeah guys, it's amazing. I'm not sure about the price, but yeah guys, I'll ask my mom and tell you the price. And if I get similar type of things online, because I bought these two sarees from local store in sense like she what to say, sell sarees. Yeah, she comes to sell sarees, and here guys she comes to our home as well. So I got this two sarees. She has some amazing sarees, saree collections, and I bought this two saree from her. So yeah guys, that was all for the outfits. And I ordered one kurti, one white kurti, and I'll definitely link that kurti as well because it's not arrived yet, and I was so eagerly waiting to shoot this video. And yeah guys, so I'll link that kurti down below. You can, that's a white kurti that's similar to that black kurti I showed you, but that kurti is full white with some detailing in here in this part. So yeah guys, I'll put the link down below. So some accessories I bought. This neck piece I got from Instagram. So I was searching for such necklace, but Flipkart and all, they were costing so much for this tiny necklace. So wait, so this is the necklace guys. In Instagram, sorry, not in Instagram, in Flipkart and other online shops, it was costing like I saw one chain with one pearl was costing above 100 or above 200, but on Instagram, one day I was scrolling and I got this website, and I saw this, and they were selling this necklace for so cheap, and these are 3 layers, and I got this for 200. Yeah, pretty much reasonable. No, though that was also 200, but that was only one chain with one pearl, but I got this for 200 with 3 layers of chain and with 3 pearls. And how cool is it? I bought this because I can style it with everything, literally, like with western traces or with traditional traces. It's so minimal yet so elegant guys. I'm loving this. I wanted to buy something like this, and so this which I got this. So I'll share their Instagram link down below, so that you can go and check their things out. And I got this from a local store again, this golden jhumkis. So I had oxidized earrings, but I didn't have golden ones because I hardly wear golden jewelries and all. But this time I bought this because I got sari. It will I got this, it will go with my that blue sari because it has golden detailing, and as well as my white sari because that too has golden detailing. So yeah guys, this is the earring I love. If I get on Flipkart, again I'm telling, if I get this on Flipkart, I'll definitely share the link. And yeah guys, here's studs again from local market. So these are the studs I got. These are the small size. Anyways, I got the studs for my top piercing, and I got this similar design, but this it's little bit bigger size for my bottom ones. So check it guys. I don't know why it's not focusing. I'll insert the picture somewhere here so you can check that out. So these are 2 similar design. One is bigger, one is small, so that I can pair. I can wear similar earring top and bottom. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. But that was it for this video. And this time I purchased from Nykaa. That was my first purchase, and I'm really satisfied about it. I got one Fit Me foundation and one Maybelline mascara, and I bought one lip color that is hot pink. That's Oriflame, the one matte shade. So yeah guys, that was all for this video. That's all I bought, and I'll definitely share with you guys the kurti I bought. There is a white one, if you want to see how it looks. So I'll post the outfit. I'll post the outfit when it arrives on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me out there, then go follow me out there because I'm so much active out there. So yeah guys, I'll put the link somewhere here, and I'll put the link in the description as well. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you didn't, you know the drill. Go give a big thumbs up, like, that is like, comment whichever outfit you like and wanna try out. And yeah guys, share with your friends and families. And yeah, that was it. And if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification button, so that whenever I post a video, you always get notified. So yeah guys, that was it. Why you talk so much? I realized it right now. So anyways guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't seen, because I forgot that I have to show you guys that I did highlights. So yeah guys, I did highlights on my hair. I used Strix hair color, that comes for 160 online as well, and from normal cosmetic shops in your local store you will get it in similar price, that is 160. So here guys, I bought Strix hair color, that is a vibrant red. So it's not looking that vibrant in picture, but in real life it's looking really vibrant, and I did at home. And here guys, I'm really satisfied with my hair color. So here guys, if you want to get updated about the hair color, how long it stays, or whatever question you have, you can comment down below, or you can even DM me on my Instagram as well, because I'll be posting the hair update, how long the color is staying, what's the details, and I'll be sharing my experience. I'll definitely share my experience about my hair color, how long it's staying, and everything about it on my Instagram. So follow me out there. So yeah guys, that was it for this video, and I love you all. Stay happy, stay blessed, and yeah guys, don't go out. Though it's puja time, don't go out, because you know, right, the corona is spreading so fast and it's in huge number. And if you guys go out, because recently I saw a post on Facebook, I saw a post on Facebook that before puja people are going outside and it's so crowded, like they're in a shoe shop, they're buying shoes, and it's literally crowded like the way it used to be earlier. But we need to understand that we have to keep a safe distance. Social distancing is necessary. Though it's puja will come again next year, but your health is important more than anything. So stay away from crowded places. Don't go out. You can go out after a few days, but don't go out in this puja time, because you don't know from where you get the disease and all. So yeah guys, that was it. I hope you stay safe, stay happy. Don't roam around, wear mask, use sanitizer. If you go out, use sanitizer, wear mask, take the necessary precautions which you need to take. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah guys, I love you all. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye, much love.